Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Kotlin development. Codeium's AI powered features can make coding in Kotlin faster and more efficient. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Kotlin project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you type Kotlin code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Kotlin file, speeding up your development process. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Kotlin programming such as writing functions, classes, data classes, and more. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Kotlin best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a class definition, Codeium will suggest properties, methods, and constructors, helping you build robust Kotlin classes more efficiently. Codeium also helps with Kotlin specific features like extension functions, coroutines, and null safety. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for these features. To customize Codeium's behavior for Kotlin, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Kotlin code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Kotlin code to ensure it works as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Kotlin development. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Kotlin code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.